Right guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset on this 2017 Volvo V40. And you can just see the maintenance overdue on the dash there. To start with, I'm just going to take the key out of the ignition and we'll put that back in. Just briefly press the start button there. That just turns the ignition to stage 1. Now we'll press and hold the OK button on the stalk. Once holding that, if you press and hold the start button and keep it held till it turns the ignition to stage 2. With keeping the OK button depressed there, you'll see the service light eventually start to flash. As soon as it flashes, release the button. And you can see that's all cleared now. You just simply turn the ignition off, start the car back up. Service status, so it's now 12 months, 18,000 miles. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.